Based in Nottingham, Nationwide Driveways are a local family-run business with over 20 years' experience in the paving industry. We are proud of our reputation for designing and installing stunning driveways and patios that are built to last. We only use top-quality materials, and you won't find better value for money, as we guarantee to beat any like-for-like quote. Whether your preference is for block paving, gravel or tarmac, we can create a driveway that will perfectly complement the character of your home, however big or small. Our patios are designed to enhance your garden and outdoor living space. With many years' experience, we have an eye for design and can offer ideas to create the perfect landscape garden. There are so many good reasons to choose Nationwide Driveways as your paving contractor. We do not require a deposit, as our customers only pay once the job is completed to their satisfaction. We are proud to be Trusted Trader approved, and as an added bonus, we can also offer you a 25% discount on full UPVC installations when having your driveway or patio installed. Naturally, our work is guaranteed and we are fully insured. For a free quotation and site visit, or just some friendly advice, contact Nationwide Driveways today.